Blades 1860. We got four different style Balisongs here. This first one, double serrated dagger blade. And the black one, kind of hard to see with the black background. I understand that, but with the blood groove, clip point, non-serrated. You have the larger black one. It's a bayonet blade, partially serrated. These all have torque screw construction, no rivets. Torque screw, a lot better. And last one here is, yeah, by the way, these are all steel. Blood groove, clip point, non-serrated. I have plenty of these. So the dagger, clip, non-serrated, clip, non-serrated, stainless, and the black anodized bayonet blade, partially serrated. Just a nice knife. I like this one. There you have them.